Hey everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to open a new box that I have not tried before, and it's called Caribbean Inspired Treasures. And I got this because we're going to be going to the Caribbean in January. So I got to kind of get in the mood. So let's get started. And this gal was just great. Talk about good customer service. You know, I had ordered it and I wasn't sure if it would get to my house in time, so I asked her to hold off mailing it, which she did, and she checked back with me every so often to see, you know, what point I was at, and so it was waiting here when I got here. So let's see. Ooh, the card. There it is. Beverly, I hope you made it safely to Arizona. Thank you for your order. We hope you love your curated treasures as much as we did curating them. Waves from the beach, Christy. Oh, let's see what's in the envelope. Okay, are we going here? I think we might be. Okay, when you can't, this is when you can't. Welcome to the Caribbean Inspired Treasures October box. Thank you for being one of our starfishes. This month is all about escaping to the Caribbean while we sit at home on our couch. And it says Escape to the Caribbean. And this one is Turks and Caicos is a featured location. I think that's one of them they added to our itinerary. Anyway, it says Coral Islands in the Atlantic Ocean, a British territory southeast of the Bahamas, home to expansive Grace Bay Beach with luxury resorts, shops, restaurants, and spectacular scuba diving sites. Traveling in June is a perfect time with daytime temperatures around 88 and nighttime cooling to low 70s, with a small chance of daily rain and the ocean temperature in the 80s. You can arrive by air from most major airports and in approximately 6 to 7 hours and stay in a nice 4-star hotel. Then, okay, and then up here she talks about what all the different things are. One of the cards here on the top of the box says, it is said a walk on the beach soothes the soul until you can cast your cares into the endless sea. Inside you will find treasures reminiscent of summer days on the beach. Okay. This must be a picture of Christy. Welcome to Caribbean Inspired Treasures. We are grateful for your support. Our mission is to deliver Caribbean inspiration to your doorstep. This company was born from a travel agent's desire to inspire you to reminisce of summer days on the beach. Let's see, just blue packing paper. I forget who it was who did this box. Maybe it was Katie, I don't know, but it looks so good. Interesting. Check it out. Well, here's something up my alley. Caribbean Getaway handcrafted gourmet marshmallows. Oh my God, Bucky. Let's see, snow white moist marshmallows rolled in freshly grated and toasted coconut. Ooh, they look good. Look good. Should I try one? Marshmallows. I ate a bag of marshmallows in 2 days on our drive, one of the 2 days of driving down here. Why did I gain 5 pounds? I don't know. people like them. I hope not. So what's it say on the... I love them. The marshmallows are so soft. That's the only way I can describe it. The Taste Bud Tempter. Oh, this Taste Bud Tempter is handmade of pure cane sugar, vanilla bean, sea salt, coconut rum, and liqueur. Then rolled in freshly grated toasted coconut. These timeless favorites are transformed into delicious puffs. It's like puffy, really puffy. You're sure to be delighted with the Caribbean Island Getaway Gourmet Marshmallows. Well, I am. Then we have Caribbean Escape Hand and Body Shea Sugar Scrub. Say about these. Oh, up here. Cooler weather means drier skin. Scrub away those rough spots with this raspberry vanilla base infused with sweet fruit smell of fig, with top notes of grapefruit, pear, pineapple, and melon, combined with jasmine, gardenia, peach, and coconut. Enjoy the all-natural shea butter and sugar in this Caribbean Escape Body Scrub. Okay, I gotta smell it. Is it sealed closed? If it's sealed closed, I'm not gonna open it yet. Excuse me. Oh, got that. Ooh, it. Oh, it does remind me of Caribbean smells. Now, I don't normally use this stuff, but I'm going to use this. I'm sorry, girls. Okay, then we have this cute little ring. Very pretty. Let's see, what will it show up good again? My shirt, and then the lighting's just not the best in there, but see how it'll show green and blue? Really reminds you like of the... It's pretty, 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 pretty. I'll keep that too. Itchy nose, my gosh. Am I allergic? You might. No, it means you're gonna kiss a fool. Honey, if you want a kiss, you can have one. Okay, let's see what this is. Every girl needs a unique handmade statement piece to talk about with her gal pals. And this month, we're adding sparkle to your life with a beautiful diamond-cut anodized aluminum ring, swirled with blue and green like the Caribbean Sea. Size to a size 7 to size at a 7 to wear on your finger or pinky. Yeah, that's what size I take. When I got this ring last year to add to my... Oh, you're the perfect size. All the rings come in. So I didn't have to have it made to order. Oh, there's some more. Here is a Caribbean checklist journal, a portable trip planner, and diary. Well, let's see what... I think this was one of the things that caught my eye too when I saw another person doing this video. It's got the on it. It's nice. It's got, you know, you put your medical info, contacts, and a 1-month calendar, packing list, don't forget, things I still need to do, safety tips, itinerary, reflections, foreign phrases, and metric conversions. Well, here's some, I see, like, basics, 5, 4, destination, how to get there, travel companion. This is a good thing to have. Keeping that. So far, I'm keeping everything, but you know, girls, it's unusual for me. What's it say about the planner? The crisp smell of fall is in the air, and as we all start settling into the holidays, it's time to think about our 2022 travel plans. As the current health climate has caused most of us to accept a travel pause, the travel boom is coming, and we don't want you to miss out on those white sands, warm sun, and blue water's awaiting you. Get started with a travel planner. Yeah, we've got 3 cruises booked for next year because I'm going crazy. And here is a nice pen that she threw in there. Pretty color, perfect pen to take to write in the, let's see if I can attach it to the book. Yeah, it's got one of those little hook things, so I know I'll be able to. In the meantime, I'll just slide it in there. And here is a, well, her thing is a travel agent. Let's plan your adventure. Cruise planners, host agency. I'm a travel agent who will provide the customer service you deserve, whether it's a luxury, all-inclusive resort or cruise adventure. So, a little advertising card. And here is a, what is this? Warning, do not eat. Okay. Oh, it's a little sachet. Okay, keeper. I'll need to finish that marshmallow. Oh, and here's the checklist. Oh, these are cute little, like, bookmarks. Fit down on there. Isn't that cute? So it's a, you know, it's a list of things you want to take that you can check off as you pack. Super idea, and that will do it. Hey, I'm a fan. What can I say? I love everything in here. Nothing. What's this? Is this a magnet? Oh, that's pretty. The magnet. Does it look like my feet? That goes with the, that stuff. Well, that's nice. Okay, well, Christy, I'm glad we worked things out for getting this stuff to me. Yeah. Oops, shut my tripod. So what do you guys all think? I'll put the specifics as far as the cost and everything when I edit this. So tell me what you think down below. Share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you're all having a good day. I hope this kind of got you in the mood for getting away to the Caribbean next in 2022. Hopefully, you know, the virus conditions will be enough to where we can feel like we can go all right, and just be careful, take care of ourselves. I love you all. Bye.